Hey there, truck enthusiasts! Welcome back to Vehicle School. Are you experiencing issues with your truck's heater blowing hot then cold? Well, you're in the right place. Unlock the full tutorial and detailed steps in the article linked in the description. Today, we're diving into 5 common reasons behind this frustrating problem. Point 1. Blend door actuator issue. If it malfunctions, you might notice inconsistent heating. Check for gearbox malfunctions or a broken cam near the motor beneath the dashboard. Point 2. Thermostat issue. A faulty thermostat can cause your heater to go from hot to cold unexpectedly. If you notice temperature spikes on your gauge, it could be a sign of a glitchy thermostat getting stuck open and suddenly closing, disrupting coolant flow. Point 3. Block heater restricting cores. Prolonged use of the block heater can lead to uneven heating inside your cabin. Check the heater core lines when your truck is warm. Both should be hot for proper flow. If there's a restriction, it can affect your heater's performance. Keep an eye out for any TSBs related to this issue. Point 4. Heater control valve issue. This valve controls the flow of hot coolant to the heater core. If it malfunctions, you might experience irregular heater behavior. Make sure to check this component if you're noticing inconsistent warm air delivery. Point 5. Trapped air in cooling system. Improper antifreeze application can lead to air pockets, disrupting the smooth flow of coolant and causing temperature variations in your heater. Keep an eye out for any signs of air trapped in your cooling system. And there you have it, folks. 5 common reasons why your Ford F150's heater might be blowing hot then cold. Remember to inspect these components carefully and consult with a professional if you're unsure. Thanks for watching, and stay warm out there.